Hello, hola, namaste. Welcome to this transforming world of mighty soul. I'm Mounika. I'm back again with another success story. So, this week's success story is definitely interesting because success stories are interesting. It motivates us, it inspires us, and we actually pull up our socks and walk towards our desired reality or the dream life. So, let's jump into the success story. This success story is from Pranay, and specifically I asked Pranay to introduce himself with a little bit of his background and also what exactly he has done during the process, because it would be great to know the entire story and how the manifestation worked and what exactly are the things that worked for him very well. So let's jump into the success story now. Hi Mounika. I'm super happy and excited to be sharing this success story with you and with all our Mighty Soul audience. Firstly, thank you for your wonderful content on YouTube and also personal guidance in the last 4 sessions. They are way beyond my imagination. Thank you. To all of you who are listening to this, I want to share my background story with you. I am blessed with a good life. I have almost everything that I want, and thankfully, I don't have much to complain about in this life. Because of great upbringing, I am always grateful and value everything that I have in my life. Yes, he is such a grounded, down-to-earth person and simple, calm, quiet. His energy is truly amazing, I have to tell you that. Because of this kind of life, I never felt the need to know more about law of attraction, hence I never did. Although I have heard the word and the concept a lot of times. Then one day I saw Mounika's Ho'oponopono video on my YouTube suggestions. Something about the video or the energy of the video made me click on it, and then I watched all the 3 videos continuously on Ho'oponopono by her. If any of you are wondering what exactly this Ho'oponopono and the videos are, I am putting them in the description and also it will be in the I button. You can watch it after this success story. The way she explained everything so clearly and so beautifully made me watch other videos of hers. I am glad I did. I am glad that you did, Pranay. And eventually, I landed up taking 4 personal one-on-one sessions till now to know about spirituality, inner healing, law of attraction, forgiveness, and many more. I must tell you, Mounika, your videos and personal sessions are so informative, honest, and you seem like one amongst us. Thank you for the 10 on 10 service. Oh, thank you so much, Pranay. I can't tell you how happy I am. So, now coming to my success story, I recently started getting involved in my family business, and one day we had to close a deal, which is quite a good deal. For certain external reasons, it is getting delayed. As this is my first big deal, I decided to give law of attraction a try. Then I contacted Mounika for 1 session and eventually signed up for 5 sessions. She taught me very clearly and with absolute patience about deep concepts of law of attraction and made me do all the techniques rightly. In brackets, he mentioned just saying she's strict with homeworks. That I am. Let's continue. I trusted her and what all she taught and implemented everything, but with ease and joy. I started loving this new energy, some invisible security and friendship that I developed with the universe. In just a couple of days, I closed the deal abundantly, and that made me feel really amazing and fantastic. Just letting you guys know more about the deal is worth 20 lakh rupees in a clothing business. Yes, that's definitely a good amount. All I can say is law of attraction is less about techniques and more about understanding the concept very clearly and believing in it day in and day out, which Mounika explained the right way to me. Here are 3 things that helped me manifest this desire quickly. Number 1, understanding the concept right. Number 2, maintained 100% trust and did not entertain any doubts or negative thoughts through the process. Number 3, consistency, ease, and non-judgment of self. Well, technically this is not actually 3, there are more than 3, but the way he segregated them is something that I think we all should appreciate. I hope this inspires and motivates everyone who watched it. Thank you for making my life much better, Mounika. Regards, Pranay. So if you are wondering to know more about the techniques that Pranay has used and all that, definitely scripting and affirmations are major part of it, on which I have already released videos, and by any chance if you miss those videos, you cannot miss them anymore. You will have the links to the videos in the description and also in the I button. Do not forget to check them out. Just so you know that any of you can share your success stories with me. It's not just my one-on-one clients, but any of you can do that, because we are doing this particular series of success stories only to inspire and motivate each one of us, because everybody needs their motivational or the inspirational shot every week. Not everybody, most of the people needs motivation and inspiration on a weekly basis, and that's exactly what we are doing through this series. And if you want to share your success stories with me, then you can do that by emailing me at mightysoulhelp@gmail.com with the subject line "Let's Celebrate My Life." The more success stories you share, the more positive vibration you are generating, and the more positive vibration you are generating, the more success stories comes into your life automatically and so naturally. So do not wait for that next success story. Instead, share your success story right away with me in the said email address. I hope you like this video, and if yes, don't forget to give that big fat thumbs up and also share with all your friends and family, and let's keep our relationship pretty precious. So subscribe to this channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot and I value that, and thank you for all your love and support. Let's catch up in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay positive, stay healthy. Namaste.